Today we're changing the battery in this 1949 Dodge Wayfarer. It's a 6-volt battery. It's a positive ground system. We're going to upgrade to something more reliable. Stay tuned. The original intent was to replace the lead acid battery with a single Optima 6-volt, but one thing led to another. So I've just got a 1/2 inch wrench, and I may have to use something to pry this open a little bit. It's going to be loose enough, I think. We're going to get some baking soda and water and clean these terminals, just get some of that corrosion out of there. Should be able to just lift this battery out. Gotta keep it upright because this is full of water and it will spill. So this battery box doesn't look too bad. I mean, imagine it's the old original. There's some dirt in here, some rusty dirt. So I'll probably get the shop vac and we'll suck some of that out. We're going to get the Optima battery in here temporarily today just so I can move the car. But then I've got a pretty cool mount that's coming from OptimaTrays.com, and we'll mount it more permanently. If this was a show car, we'd probably try and stick with an original style 6-volt battery, but this is a patina car. The sole purpose of having this car is just to drive it and have a good time, so I just want to take and make a few modifications to make it more reliable, guilt-free. So this is the packaging. It's double boxed. It's our 6-volt Optima. It's going to look a lot different than the original lead acid battery that's in there. You know, this is an AGM battery and it's a smaller form factor, but it should be a lot more reliable. All right, we're going to try and start her up. It's been a couple weeks since this car has run, so hopefully we'll get her running quick. Well, our old Flathead 6 is back to life. The Optima battery took a few turns to get some fuel up to that carburetor, but we got her idling now, which is good. It
fell off.
Okay. Okay, can you move that to the next one?
Yep.
We're just going to do the same thing. We'll find those nuts. It's no big deal. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. All right.
It's still on this one.
Now you just take the wrench out and
Yeah.
that's fine. We just need to find the other one. All right, so this hold down we won't need anymore with our new mounting system. But now this guy comes out. And clean up a little underneath there. We'll maybe wire wheel this down, give it a coat of paint, and it'll look like the nicest thing in the engine bay. Right, so this is roughly how these are going to fit inside the original battery tray. This mounts on the inside of the driver's fender, goes through the wheel well. This is the engine side firewall, and you'll have these two kind of narrow Optima 6-volt batteries side by side, tied together, still be 6-volt, positive ground. It's going to look different, but it's all in the name of reliability. Take a few coats to get it kind of covered nicely. Most of this is going to be covered up on the bottom, but it'll look really nice. It'll be the nicest looking thing in the engine compartment. Okay, this is it. It's the final result, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's a very reliable setup that should keep me, charged and on the road. Leave me some feedback in the comments on whether you like or dislike it. It's not going to hurt my feelings. Again, this is not a Concours show car, so I'm just trying to make it reliable. But as I continue to work on stuff to do that to this car, I'll try and capture content that I can share and keep it going. So please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.